Have you ever noticed something strange about public bathrooms? Whether you're in a mall, a cafe, or an airport, the stall door never reaches the floor. There's always a wide gap underneath, and often gaps on the sides too. At home, the bathroom is completely sealed, floor to ceiling, full privacy, no light, no sound escaping. So why, in public places where privacy should matter more, is it designed this way? It looks uncomfortable. It feels exposed. And yet, it's not a mistake. The rise of public bathrooms. At the beginning of the 20th century, cities began to grow rapidly. Factories expanded. Offices multiplied. People started spending more than half their day outside their homes. Soon, a practical question appeared. Where do all these people go when they need a bathroom? Public restrooms became a necessity in streets, workplaces, train stations, and malls. At first, designers treated them like home bathrooms, heavy wooden doors, full height, completely sealed. But reality had other plans. When privacy became a problem. Fully enclosed bathroom stalls unintentionally created a perfect hiding place. In many Western cities, especially in the US and parts of Europe, public restrooms became hotspots for illegal activity. Drug use, drug dealing, people locking themselves inside for hours. Security couldn't simply enter bathrooms to investigate. Privacy, which was meant to protect regular users, turned into a shield for misuse. Even homeless individuals began using stalls as temporary shelters, sleeping inside for long periods. Fixtures were damaged, faucets were stolen, maintenance costs skyrocketed. Something had to change. The design shift that changed everything. In 1903, architect Frank Lloyd Wright introduced a new idea while designing public buildings: raised partitions and doors that don't touch the floor. His original goal was practical: cleaning. Public restrooms are used by hundreds, sometimes thousands of people every day. Dirt, bacteria, water, and paper accumulate fast. When doors reach the floor, water and waste get trapped in corners. Cleaning becomes slow, inefficient, and labor-intensive. But when doors are raised, janitors can clean the entire floor quickly, mopping underneath all stalls at once without opening doors. What started as a cleaning solution quickly revealed deeper benefits. The business advantage. From a business perspective, raised doors were a win. Shorter doors mean less material used, lower manufacturing costs. Lighter doors, which reduce hinge damage. Longer lifespan due to less water exposure. Standardized stall sizes also reduced installation time and labor costs. Owners could use the same door model everywhere, regardless of floor slope or ceiling height. Cheaper, faster, more durable. The psychology of exposure. But here's where it gets interesting. Designers noticed something unexpected. People behaved differently inside these stalls. When your legs are visible, your sense of privacy changes. You feel slightly exposed, even if no one is watching. That discomfort does something powerful. It discourages misuse. It reduces vandalism. It makes people finish faster and leave. Public bathrooms are designed for quick use, not long stays. Less comfort equals higher turnover, and higher turnover is exactly what crowded public spaces need. Ventilation, the hidden benefit. There's another advantage most people never think about: airflow. A fully sealed stall traps heat and odors. Without strong ventilation, smells linger far longer than necessary. Raised doors create natural air circulation. Fresh air enters from below. Warm, stale air rises and exits toward ventilation fans above. This keeps stalls fresher and reduces cleaning frequency.